chickens in the Waco sun. He's got mouths to feed and cattle to run, same as his daddy and his daddy done. It's all he's ever known. In this modern world, moving breakneck fast, he's a dying breed, a thing of the past. He'll be damned if he don't hit back, or you stand in his way, and there's nothing more to say. So here's to the lifers, the struggle and strivers, working long after the day is done. Here's to the throwbacks, the cowboys in old hats, the last of the great generation. It seems they still dream. She's a Renaissance girl with a fire in her soul. She's got a pocket full of nothing, nobody tells her no. She flew into town 20 years ago with a guitar and a song. She's been playing them rooms, but she ain't got far. Been living off tips in them Broadway bars. She's a troubadour queen, but time left its mark. The scene that's passed her by, in a world that's passed her by. So here's to the lifers, the struggle and strivers, working long after the day is done. Here's to the throwbacks, the cowboys in old hats, the last of the great generation. It seems they still dream. Started on the whiskey pretty early this morning. That's alright, I was up all night, but I passed out before the sun came up. I really wanted to see one of those. I know that's no way for a man to behave, with a mortgage due and a baby on the way. But somehow I made it to where I'm at. It's been a living as a matter of fact. I get a bad attitude from being tired and running round. I never ask for anyone to say they like my sound. I've never been a part of any musical scenes. I ain't just talking Nashville, if you know what I mean. They don't write about me in their magazines. I don't ask for no reviews on the songs that I sing. Never had a lot of friends, and I'm alright by that. But people keep on coming back, raising hell with the hippies and the cowboys. They don't care about no trends, they don't care about songs that sell. Yeah, tomorrow I'll be gone, so tonight everybody just sing along, raising hell with the hippies and the cowboys. sight for all of my life, but I like the view. I'm not gonna lie, yeah, the yuppies and the hipsters and the wannabe scenes, that ain't down home to me. I like $2 beers, I like $3 wells, and some old honky-tonk bar I know by the smell, some old drunk on a bar stool on a Merle Haggard tune. That's my kind of room, raising hell with the hippies and the cowboys. They don't care about no trends, they don't care about songs that sell. Yeah, tomorrow I'll be gone, so tonight everybody just sing along, raising hell with the hippies and the cowboys. Raising hell with the hippies and the cowboys. They don't care about no trends, they don't care about songs that sell. Yeah, tomorrow I'll be gone, so tonight everybody just sing along, raising hell with the hippies and the cowboys. And I'll be raising hell with the hippies and